Hello and welcome to this checkmate 2 chess puzzle from 1877. See that black has the king, 4 pawns, the rook, pair of knights and a bishop. White has the king, the rook, pair of knights, 4 pawns and a bishop. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Moving the knight to d6 is only a checkmate in 3 and not 2. Black can move their knight to h5. You can then check the king with the bishop. Black has to take the bishop with the rook. And then you can checkmate in 3 by moving the knight to b5. Taking the knight on g7 with your knight is only a checkmate in 3. Black can stop the mate in 2 by moving the rook to e1. You can then check with the bishop. Black can take the bishop, and then you can come in with the knight to just checkmate in 3. Moving the bishop to d6 doesn't get you a mate in 2. Black can defend by moving the knight to e6. You can then take the knight with the pawn. Black king can't move, so if they push a pawn or something, and then you can checkmate in 3 by moving the bishop to c5. Moving the bishop to c7 gets you a similar mate in 3. Black can again defend by moving the knight to e6. You can check with the bishop, but then black can block with the knight. Then finally you can take the knight to mate in 3. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one, so pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the knight to c7. If black pushes the b pawn, you can then move the knight to b5 to checkmate in 2. If black moves their knight to c2, you can then move the bishop to g1 to checkmate in 2. If black moves the king to c5, you can then move the knight to e6 to checkmate in 2. If black takes the pawn on f5 with their knight, you can again move your knight to e6 to checkmate in 2. Okay, that's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.